process requires two apps, VideoStar and KineMaster. You can use this process for any watermark, to be honest. Just make sure the photos are below the watermark before we start the video. Please like and subscribe for more content. I really hope you like this video, and I'd love to see you guys comment. Okay, now go into KineMaster. Like you normally would, select the ratio of the project, and yeah, click on the photo you want. And make it long, however long you want. Make sure it's how you want it. And then use audio. Yeah, I'm a Hamilton fan. Yeah? I'm bad at explaining, sorry. And then you export your video how you want it. There we go. Then, this is where VideoStar comes in. You go and import your video. Scroll in to get rid of the watermark. You go down because you want to have it at its fullest, so the viewer can see the whole thing, minus the watermark, and you adjust it how you want, and play it to make sure it's perfect. Set start and end. And export.